Hello, my name is Caleb Czar and I'll show you how to convert 8mm tape to VHS. For this tutorial you'll need the following: an 8mm camcorder, an 8mm tape, a VHS tape, a VCR, and a TV/cables. First, plug in your camcorder using an AC adapter or battery. Next, take your 8mm tape and plug it in your camcorder like so. Now this might take a while, but your camcorder will let you know when you're done. Like so. If your tape is not rewound, this might be the time to do so. Again, this may take a while, but your camera should let you know when you're done. With that out of the way, now let's move on to the VCR. Like with the camcorder, you should also hook up your VCR and TV via the AC adapter. Now most VCRs have RCA composite cables. If your TV lacks these ports, you may need to buy an adapter. With that being said, now let's hook up the VCR to the TV. Next up is to power on the VCR. Now if you have a VCR DVD combo like I have, you may need to check to see if the video is going out to DVD or to VCR. Since this one is going out to DVD, you press this button here and it switches over to the VHS. Next, take a VHS tape such as this one and place it in your VCR. Now depending on your tape you may need to rewind, but in this case we're not going to do that. With our VCR hooked up and ready to go, now it's time to get our camcorder hooked up to this VCR. Now, the cables included with some camcorders may look like this, however the ends are different compared to VCR and look more like a headphone jack. Now depending on your camera there may be different setups, but for these purposes we'll be using this cable to connect to our VCR. On this model camcorder there should be a little thing on the side that opens up a jack for your audio and video. Grab your cable, plug it in like so, and there you go. Now, take your audio and video cables and plug them into the appropriate sections. Now, in order to see if it worked, we now need to put our camcorder into VCR mode. Now just hit play. And it appears on the TV screen. Now with everything set up, press play on your camcorder. And now, hit record on your VCR. Now depending on how long your footage is, this may take a couple minutes or it may take a couple hours, but it just depends on your scenario. Okay, now after finished recording, we should be able to press play on the VCR and it should come up. And there we have it, on our VHS tape. Congratulations, you've completed the process. Be sure to take care of your materials and you'll have no problems going forward.